10 tax mistakes that could cost you big. Here's what to avoid. I'll count them down. Quick, clear, and practical. Let's get started. Number 10. Not keeping your supporting documents. Keep salary slips, bank statements, and receipts handy. Number 9. Skipping e-verification. Filing isn't the last step. You must e-verify. If you don't e-verify, the return may not be accepted. Number 8. Filing late. Procrastination costs penalties. Don't delay. Late filing can trigger fines and audits. Number 7. Simple arithmetic errors. A wrong plus or minus can change your liability. Double-check totals before you submit. Number 6. Failing to declare foreign assets or income. That includes properties, foreign bank accounts, and shares. Declare them or face penalties. Number 5. Overstating expenses or claiming personal costs as business. Don't claim groceries, personal bills, or family expenses as business. Only claim what you can prove. Auditors look closely. Number 4. Only declaring salary and ignoring other income. Freelance gigs, bank profit, rental income, capital gains all count. Declare them, even small extra incomes. Number 3. Not cross-checking withholding tax amounts. Match amounts deducted by employer, bank, or contractors to IRS. Small mismatches can cause headaches. Reconcile them now. Number 2. Using the wrong form for your situation. A business owner using a salaried form can get rejected. Pick the correct form. It's an easy, avoidable mistake. Number 1. Entering the wrong scenic number or name. Your record must match NADRA exactly. One typo can make your return go sideways. Double-check spelling and digits. Avoid these 10 and you'll breeze through tax season. Tip: keep organized records and verify IRS entries early. Cross-check withholding, use the right form, and e-verify. Need help? Message a Shoaib law firm on WhatsApp. Tap the link in the description to start a chat now. They can help if you're unsure or need documentation advice. Remember, documents, scenic accuracy, e-verification, deadlines, math errors, and undisclosed foreign assets. Use the right form and keep proof of everything. Final check. Match your scenic and name to NADRA right now. Reconcile withholding entries before filing. Submit, e-verify, and keep the confirmation and supporting docs. If anything's unclear, reach out to Shoaib Law Firm. Link in the description: https://way.me/923338536279. Quick guidance and document checks are available. Follow these steps and file with confidence. Organize once, avoid issues later, and keep that acceptance receipt safe. Good luck and happy filing. Message Teach Shoaib Law Firm, https://wa.me/923338536279. Subscribe for more tax tips. Description has the link. Contact Shoaib Law Firm. WhatsApp +92 333 853 6279. Thanks for watching.